Okay, so this video, let's talk about a magic for your car. You can buy a car model of your car or a similar model is fine too. Okay, so it's like if you have a four door, you buy a four door. If you have a truck, you buy a truck, something like that. So it looks kind of like your car. This will be a representative of your car, and you can leave it on the altar to have the God constantly connecting to your car and also be protecting it, giving it protection and empowerment. There are sealing faji for the car that you can do, and also this is a very simple magic that we can do as well. So imagine we just open the altar, burn incense already, right? All that simple things. Okay, first is to make a representative. So ring, ring, ring. Okay, this is to let the God know what this is. Okay, so attention, attention, right? Like that. So ticket and ring. So attention given. Okay, next we need to make this a representative, right? So what makes it a representative is that we put a God inside, and the God will become a portal, and the portal is constantly on here. Okay, so with the car here, we put a God inside. Okay, take this and then circle, trot. Okay, and then take a sword. Hey, circle, right? Circle and a dot. 趋同进化三家创建天地互干，亚dem hey, and then now it's like you visualize your car, and then when you're done, okay, trip, and then take this token, pop. Okay, now what you want to do is div and ask is the portal. I mean, it's the representative open. Okay, good thing. Now the representative is open. You can work on it with your eyes open on the different location. Okay, so let's say I have this again. Pop. Okay, so I can write in here in this space afaji. Okay, for example, I will write the sun moon faji and put it on like the headlight, the tail light, and also maybe the 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 window where it needs to look out. Right, so you can do this. Hey, hey, and then sun moon faji. After that, grab. Okay, like a circle, and then grab, and then deploy on here. Point. Okay, so point, 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 point. Okay, point all the places I want, and then I go give you really. Right? If I have more faji, I don't have to do this yet. Okay, I can write the next one, and then 大吉 for example, and then hey, and then put it onto the door, 大吉, right? And then I write 4v5h, grab, hey, and then write, put it at the door, 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe the back as well. Okay, circle, everything is done. 1, 2, give, you, doing, shoo, put it down, pop, and then I take my water, pew, pew, pew. Okay, now you have successfully put all that faji, the seals, the programming onto the model. And this is going to have a God connected to your car, and the God will know what to do for you over there. At last, check to see if everything is good. Okay, no problem. So we can now put this car on the altar. If you have ground altar, you can put it on the ground altar. The landlord can deal with it while you're not here. If you don't have ground altar, you can just put it aside, somewhere. It's fine too. Usually we put this on the ground altar because it doesn't jam up the space. Okay, so that's how you can send help, send protection, empowerment to your car. Now imagine we have like, let's say, a little doll, okay, that represents you. So the same concept can be applied to do the representative on a person or a house with a little model as well. The model itself is not going to do anything, but this is like a picture which we use to teach the God to shape the energy body into similar look in D6. And so when the magic goes over, the D6 and the D8 overlaps, right? Then the magic knows where to go. And that way, the magic can be deployed with precision. With people, you might want like a straw man, or maybe you want a model of a little figure, right? And you can do the same thing as well. House, you can also do that as well. Sometimes you use a piece of paper and just write, or maybe a picture, and then just put the address at the back and things like that. That will also work. Okay, the main point is put a God inside, create a portal, and then you start working on it with the Fati to program what you want the God to do. Remember, if you're in doubt, always use your div cup to ask question and talk to the God at the same time. Okay, that will be it for now. See you in the future.